Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I think you will be fine at home. Students, stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't go out of your houses. Students, in this video, I am going to explain supplementary chapter first, The Inventor Who Kept His Promise by Thomas Alva Edison. Students, you all have listened the name of Thomas Alva Edison, the great scientist. About the lesson, this lesson is the story of the great inventor Thomas Alva Edison, who was born in 1847. So, students, the great inventor Aviskarak Thomas Alva Edison, who was born in 1847, he spent a very little time in high school as his teacher was irritated by his habit of asking so many questions. Hitch, he spent a very little time in school. Student Thomas Alva Edison did not took a lot of time in the school, and there was a reason behind this, because he asked questions to the teachers, and teacher irritated with him, and his habit, we can say that the habit of Thomas Alva Edison made the teachers irritated, and that is why he was expelled from the school. And there was a habit inside him that he asked questions, many questions to the teacher. But he became a great scientist, and he did many inventions. So studying himself, or with the help of his mother and parents, he became a great scientist. He became a great scientist, and he became a great inventor. His greatest inventions were electric light and gramophone. So, students, electric lights and gramophone were his great inventions. Students, now let us see about the chapter, what is the story of Thomas Alva Edison. When you want to read at night, you simply press a switch and the electric light gives you light. Students, we very easily switched on light. You see that without electricity we cannot do any work. No industries are also affected without electricity. Human life is also affected without electricity. It means electricity has a vital role in our life. And when we study at night, very simply we just switch on the light and start studying. Students, we never think that how the light was invented. So do you know, here the author asked question, Thomas Alva Edison, this is an autobiography, you can say. Thomas Alva Edison himself wrote this story. He expressed his ideas. Do you know who invented the electricity? He was an American named Thomas Alva Edison. The author asks a question that, do you know who invented the electricity? He was in fact an American scientist or American inventor whose name was Thomas Alva Edison. Even in his childhood, Edison loved to do experiments. In the childhood, when he was studying, he was fond of doing experiments. So Edison in his childhood uh, did experiments. He was fond of asking questions, and he was never satisfied till he got the right answers. In fact, Thomas Alva Edison was fond of asking questions. And one more thing was there, students, that he never satisfied till he got the right answer. So there were many stories about his childhood, and there are few of them. Students, there are many stories of Thomas Alva Edison, of his childhood, about his childhood. And here are a few of them. यहाँ पर कुछ कहानियाँ दी हुई हैं जिसमें ऑथर ने इसको डिस्क्राइब किया है. One day when young Edison was at school, the teacher was telling the children a story about birds. Students, I make you note one thing here. This is an autobiography of Thomas Alva Edison, but this is written, this is given in our textbook. So the narrator is somebody else, but this is a story of Thomas Alva Edison. So one day when young Edison was at school, the teacher was telling the children a story about birds. जब एक दिन एडिशन स्कूल में था, he was at school, and जब टीचर बच्चों को एक बर्ड्स की स्टोरी बता रहा था, he got up and asked the teacher. Teacher is madam, she is female. So when the teacher was telling the children a story, जब वो अध्यापिका बच्चों को चिड़ियों की कहानी बता रहे थे, तो एडिशन उठा, खड़ा हुआ, and asked the teacher a question. Madam, why cannot man fly like a bird? This was Thomas Alva Edison's question. That, madam, why cannot man fly like a bird? So कहा, मैम, मनुष्य या आदमी पक्षी के समान, एक चिड़िया के समान क्यों नहीं उड़ सकता है? Because the man has no wings, replied the teacher. The teacher answered that because man has no wings, so man cannot fly like a bird. The young boy thought for a moment and asked her again, but the young boy was not satisfied. Edison was not satisfied with the teacher's reply, so he thought for a moment and asked again, but kites have no wings, and still we can fly them in the sky. Edison said that kites have no wings, and we can fly them in the sky. And you see, students, that this is in fact that the kites have no wings, but still you fly in the sky. So the Edison's query was not incorrect. He was right in saying this. So in this way, Edison said that kites have no wings, and still we can fly them in the sky. All the other boys laughed, and the teacher lost her patience. At this, other students of his class laughed, and the teacher lost her patience. She became angry, and she scolded Addison. She thought that the boy was stupid and naughty, and she asked his parents to take him out of school. Teacher thought that stupid the boy was stupid and naughty, and she asked his parents. She told her parents to take him out of the school. His parents took him home, but they knew that his parents took him out of the school, uh, and they took him home, and they knew that he was not a stupid boy. Addison's parents knew that Addison was not a stupid boy, he was a good boy. Addison was just 8 years old when this happened, and at that time, when this all happened, at that time Addison was only 8 years old. So, students, at the age of 8 years, Addison was fond of asking question. He had interest in study, and he had liking for study, and he was fond of doing experiments. Young Addison found in his mother his best teacher. उस छोटे से एडिसन ने अपनी माँ में एक अच्छा अध्यापक देखा. इट मीन्स अपनी माँ को एक अच्छा अध्यापक के रूप में देखा. शी वॉज पैसेंट इनफ टू आंसर ऑल हिज क्वेश्चंस, एंड विद हर हेल्प एंड गाइडेंस he made good progress. So, and how he found a good teacher inside his mother, because his mother answered patiently all his questions. एक खास बात थी एडिसन की माँ के अंदर कि वह सभी प्रश्नों के उत्तर, सभी डाउट्स को बड़ी धैर्यतापूर्वक निराकरण करती थी. उनके सभी प्रश्नों के उत्तर बड़ी धैर्यता से देती थी. एंड विद हर हेल्प, और उसकी मदद से, अपनी माँ की मदद से और उनके मार्गदर्शन से, ही मेड गुड प्रोग्रेस. उसने एक अच्छा प्रोग्रेस किया, एक अच्छा डेवलप किया अपनी लाइफ में. ही यूज्ड टू ऑब्जर्व things very closely. Addison used to observe, used to look after, used to notice things very closely and do a lot of experiments. And he used to do a lot of experiments. This was the good quality inside Addison. Some of his experiments were silly, but he learned a lot of them. Some of his experiments were silly. Addison's some experiments were silly or foolish, but from those experiments he learned a lot from them. One morning he was watching a bird. This is the experiment here the narrator described. One morning he was watching a bird. It flew down to the ground, picked up a few worms in its beak, and flew away. One morning he was watching a bird. The bird came down, it picked up some worms. Worms means कीड़े मकोड़े, insects, in its beak. Beak means चोंच. And flew away. This gave young Edison an idea. इस सब देख करके, इस सब को देख करके एडिसन के मन में एक विचार आया. द बर्ड इज एबल टू फ्लाई because it eats worms, and the idea was that the bird is able to fly कि पक्षी उड़ने योग्य हो जाता है क्योंकि वह कीड़े मकोड़े खाता है. इट मीन्स एडिसन ने सोचा कि कीड़े मकोड़े खा लेने से पक्षी उड़ने लगता है. मैन कैन ऑल्सो फ्लाई इफ ही ईट्स worms. And Edison thought that if man eats worms, he can also fly. He can also fly. He said to himself. Edison thought all about this. That if man eats worms, he can fly. He wanted to try the experiment on someone. Now, Edison wanted to try the experiment on someone. He caught hold of a few worms. Edison caught hold of some worms. उसने कुछ कीड़े मकोड़े पकड़े. Beat them into pulp. और उन्हें कुचल दिया. And pulp means mix them and made liquid, and mix it in water, and he mixed the pulp in water. It means he made a drinkable juice of worms, we can say like this. He took the mixture to a servant girl, and said to her and told her, there is a wonderful mixture. He told the servant girl that there is a wonderful mixture. If you drink this, and if you drink the mixture, you can fly like a bird. Come on, drink it and see. He said, come on and take it, drink the mixture and see, you will fly like a bird. So, assuring this, he tried to make drink the mixture to the servant girl. The poor girl believed him and drank the mixture. उस बेचारी लड़की ने एडिसन पर विश्वास कर लिया and drank the mixture, और उस घोल को, जो कीड़ों का घोल था जिसको पीसकर एडिसन ने तैयार किया था, उस घोल को पी गई. Well, she did not fly but fell ill. She cannot fly, instead she fell ill. Students, she cannot fly, instead she fell ill. Young Edison's mother warned him not to do such silly experiments. It was a dangerous experiment. It may be very dangerous to the servant girl. She may die. So Edison's mother warned him not to do such silly experiments, and Edison followed. Once he went to a poultry farm with his mother. Once Edison went to poultry farm. Poultry farm, you know, where the chickens are brought up. So he went to poultry farm where hens are kept or reared. He went to poultry farm with his mother. There he saw a hen. It was sitting on eggs In the poultry farm, he saw a hen. It was sitting in eggs. He asked his mother about it. He asked his mother about it, that why hen is sitting on the eggs, and her mother answered that the hen is hatching its eggs. Her mother's answered addition that hen is hatching means todna, broken. The hen is breaking its eggs. After some time, the chickens will come out of the eggs. She also told addition that after some time, when the eggs were broken or eggs were hatched, there will come chickens out of them. Why can't I hatch eggs? Thought young Edison. Young Edison suddenly thought that why cannot he hatch the eggs? तुरंत एडिसन ने सोचा कि यदि एक मुर्गी अंडे तोड़ सकती है और उस अंडों को तोड़ने से चूजे बाहर आ सकते हैं, तो वह क्यों नहीं अंडों को तोड़ सकता है? The next morning he got a dozen eggs and sat on them. अगले दिन सुबह वो लगभग 1 दर्जन अंडे लेकर आया और उनके ऊपर बैठ गया. He got up after some time and he stood up after some time. कुछ समय के बाद उनसे खड़ा हुआ, उनसे ऊपर उठा. Some time. But he did not find any chicken. He did not find any chicken out of the eggs. He had only smashed the eggs. उसने मात्र अंडों को तोड़ा हुआ था. उसने अंडों को तोड़ दिया, लेकिन उसे कोई भी चूजा नहीं मिला, चिकन्स नहीं मिला. And spoiled his shot. और उसने अपने शॉट को बर्बाद कर दिया, स्पॉइल्ड कर लिया, गंदा कर दिया. He got a good beating from his mother that day. That day his mother punished Tom hardly. He beat him a lot. So such were the experiments of addition, students. In the next video I will explain from here. Thank you. Have a nice day.